Hi friends, good afternoon. Welcome back to Chris Trading Academy. This is IndusLand Bank cash stock. Okay, so you can do exactly same on the futures. So let's see. I'm just waiting for another short actually. In the sense for minimum 30-40 points. Okay, so that I'll be doing that on definitely the futures. Because as of now the big trades are not enabled, right? We know that. So if you see the 60 minutes chart, okay, the hourly chart I mean to say, anything, so we might get trapped. Okay, if you draw a trend line, right, you need to draw at least couple of trend lines to make sure that you get a proper resistance here. Okay, I just touched this two recent highs. Okay, previous recent highs. Okay, so as of now what it is doing, you can closely observe. I'm doing it on hourly chart. Okay, you do the same and you will get it. Okay, see here, right? So now anything above this sustains if you get a green solid candle. Remember that green solid candle, definitely you can go for a long. For how many points? Again 30 points upside. There is no looking back at all. Okay, this will act as a resistance. See, 530, as of now the price is 498. Am I right? And now if you see the downside, as of now it is forming lower highs and lower lows. Okay, as of when we follow the Dow theory, the price, see here the resistance now. So what I am going to do is, I don't buy any options or I don't buy any sell. I don't sell any options. Okay, here I'm just gonna short. I'm just gonna short here on short here. Okay, once I see that, once this price is taken off. Okay, here. Okay, once this price is taken off this low, we are in hourly chart, right? So immediately, okay, the candle close is also very important below this 495. Remember this 495 below candle close is important, because this is all, if you combine this green candles, it will be a big green bar, right? Means buyers everywhere, buyers are sitting here. So when the price is coming downside, there will be a lot of buying pressure here. In the sense, sellers can't come down here as easily. Only thing they can do is, the market means bank nifty also should perform weak. If they are not performing weak, you cannot short, right? But what you can do is, if you see a green candle above this, I told you, right, you can go simply for a long target of 530. That's for sure. And downside, we gonna trade because of this downtrend. It is continuing right now. One more downtrend will lead to a new lower low, 445 or 450 at least. Okay, some 50 points downside is there. So at least, okay, so 468 is coming here. But if you take another low also, so these are the levels. The price might come in the next week. Okay, probably by the this monthly expiry. Okay, hopefully. If not, what it can do, it can break this based upon the current situation. Means if everything goes fine in the market, if there is any bull candle here, then what we gonna do, I already told you, you gonna buy here above this 506. 506 is the entry for buy, and 495 is entry for the short, but closing basis only. On the upside, green candle should close, and downside red candle should close as of this candle. Okay, and work on the take entries based upon this on 5 minutes and 15 minutes charts. Okay, this is what I want to share you guys, and I'll be keeping all these things as the same, because I want to check whether because I'm going to take the entry anyhow on the downside or on the upside now. So let's see which way it will direct and which way will be in profit. Okay, we'll see. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you. Please do subscribe if you like my videos. Thank you.